Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today we have here an additional with three puzzles. The letter Sudoku we have here, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's actually Sunday. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper. Saturday, June the 18th, 2022. Because I've told you today there are no. Today there's no newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. All right, and the first puzzle is a letter Sudoku, and this one will be number 4723. Yeah, 4723. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? 27. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, it's a 1 star, but what for 1 star with digits, I need to be 4 star than 50 minutes. Well, this one has letters, need more time, so 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve this puzzle. And the goal is to solve this word in this row. And those letters that I can use are the V, the O, the U, the S, the N, the I, the E, the L, and T. Alright, so let's get started. We have O in this column, last column, O in that column. So the column between, the only two places left for the O should be here or there. We see that O, no O, we see here an O in the third row. So no O there, O should be there. Four missing letters in the first row. One of the missing letter is an N. We have an N in this big square, so no N in these two boxes. So the N could be here, could be there. Well, we have another N in this column, so no N there, and should be there. Then E. S in this row, S in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the S should be there. Two missing letters in this row. For the letters O is missing, and the I is missing. O and I, O and I. We have an O in the first column, so no O there. O should be here, and the I goes there. O in the first column, O in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left for the O should be here or there. We see it here now in the last row, so no O there. O should be there. Alright. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters. One of the missing letter in the middle column is the O. Well, we have an O in the last row, so no O there. Here an O in the row above, so no O there. Here an O in the middle row, so no O there. So the O could be here, could be there in the middle column. Well, another O in the third row, so no O there. The only place left for the O should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. T. T in this column, first column, T in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the T should be there. T. V. And the and yeah, three missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the V is missing, the T is missing, and the N is missing. And look, we have a T and an N in this column. So no T and N in this box. The T and N goes in those two boxes as a pair. T and N, T and N. So one letter is missing in this big square for the letter V. VVV, okay. Well, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the L. We have a L in this row, so no L in these 3 boxes. Here now on the last column, so no L in those 2 boxes. So the L could be here, could be there. L in one of those 2 boxes in this column. L in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the L should be there. 1 box left in this column for letter I. No, we have an I there. The E is missing. Yeah, the E is missing in this column. Let me put the E there. V. Okay. S. Yeah. S. Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the O and the I. We have O and I in the middle row, so no O and I in these 3 boxes. The O and I goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. O and I. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have O and I, T and N. So what are the other 2 missing letters in this row? The L is missing here. And the U is missing. L and the U. Lulu. Alright. Two missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the E is missing. And the N is missing. Yeah. N is missing and the U, no, U. And E is missing, yeah. E and the N is missing. E and the N. We have an N in this column, so no N there. N should be here, and the E goes there. N. Well. Oh. E. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an E. We have an E in this row, second row, so no E in these 2 boxes. Here an E in this column, so no E in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the E in this big square should be there. T is missing here. T. The U. Alright. T. Let me think. And N. Come on. It's taking too long. T. Could be a T there. S. Yeah. The V the U V the U in this column, the U in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the U should be there. So two missing letters now in this big square. For letters V is missing and the L is missing. V and L, we have a L in the middle column, so no L there. L should be here and a V goes there. L in this column, L in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the L should be here or there. We see an L in the last, in the third row, so no L there. L should be there. We have a pair, E and L in this third row, E and L in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the E and L goes in those two boxes as a pair. E and L, E and L. We have an E in this column. So no E there, E should be here, and an L goes there. Now we have an L there. So this box cannot be L anymore. That box should be an L. And this box should be NU. Lulu, yes, reminds me my ex-girlfriend. Yes, Lulu. All right, one box left in this row. The first row for the letter I is missing. I is missing. Now we have an I there. So this box can be I anymore. That box should be an I, and this box should be no. O in this column, O in the middle column. So the column next to O, need two places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in the last row, so no O there. O should be there. And all the O's are used, I can see. Letter number letter number 1, letter O. How about V and the T? No. V and the S. V and the S is missing here. Yeah. V and T is missing here. V, yeah. We have a T in this column. T in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the T should be there. One box left in this column for letter V. Two missing letters in this big square for letters V is missing. And the letter S is missing. V and the S. We have a V in the middle column, so no V there. V should be here and S goes there. One box left in this column for letter S. Two missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing. And the N is missing. I and the N. We have an I in the last row, so no I there. I should be here and the N goes there. So we have an I in this row, last row, I in a row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the I should be here or there. We see an I there in the first column, so no I there. I should be there. Do we have all the I's? No. I in this first column, I in the second column. So the first column, third column, the only place left for the I should be there. I in the first row, I in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the I should be there. And all the I's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter I. Then one box left in the third column for the letter S is missing here. S in the third column, S in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the S should be there. S in this column, S in the column next, so last column, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. We see here a a S in this row, so no S there. S should be there, an S, yes. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. U is missing and the V is missing. U and a V. We have a V in this row. No V there. V should be here and a U goes there. Then two missing letters in this column for the letters. I believe. The letters L is missing, and the letter N is missing. Yeah, L and the N are missing in the second column. L and N. We have an N in the last row, so no N there. N should be here, and a L goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with L. Now we have an L there, so this box can't be L anymore. That box should be an L. Yeah, and all the L's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter L. E in this row, E in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the E should be there, and all the E's are used. I can see letter number 4, letter E. Two missing letters now in this big square for letters. U and the V are missing. U and the V. We have a U in this row. No U there. U should be here and a V goes there. Then one box left in this row for the letter. Oh, double L. What a mistake. This should be the L. Yeah. Put it in the wrong box. The wrong box. Alright, so one letter is missing. In the last row, this should be the U. U, yes, U. So we have a U in this column, U in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the U should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter T. Now we have a T here. So this box can be T anymore. That box should be a T, and this box should be an N. Yeah, this should be a U. And the final two letters in this big square for the letters V and the N are missing. V and the N. We have an N in this column, so no N there. N should be here, and the V goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for solving the letter Sudoku, and my word is the solution is uitsloven in Dutch. In English, show off. Yes. And we have solved it again. Yes. This letter Sudoku. Well, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. 2-star Sudoku, and then the last puzzle, tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.